This product has the traditional herbal remedies that have been proven to work over generations. Now, traditional medicine is really the wisdom of the ages. What did our great-grandparents use when they didn't have all these pharmaceuticals? They actually used many, many herbs in their remedies. But anybody who knows herbal remedies knows that they taste terrible, especially the tinctures. So the next problem was finding somebody who would actually make them taste good. And we contacted the Martini Club in Toronto, and we sent them the product and said, can you mask this taste?
For Intuition, when the project came to our bar, basically, we were absolutely excited. We know that people love great flavor and they will go for great flavor. Once we got to know the herbs and what they could actually do for the body, we wanted to make sure that when we were flavor profiling these products, they were just drop dead delicious. The beauty of this product is one tube is to go into a glass of water, but if you like the flavor, it's a concentrate, so you could make it, less water, more flavor. Well, once we received the tincture for My Vitality, I really felt that the strawberry base would be a great base to cover that tincture. So we took some fresh strawberries, and once we moved them in with the tincture, we got, oh, this is a beautiful mouthfeel, but it needed something else, it needed a little bit of a spank. So we came to realize that there was a chili kick that was missing, that would really round up the flavor and give it a beautiful, beautiful taste. So once we had the fresh strawberries cut, muddled with the pepper, just the right amount, we put the tincture in and it was a winner. When My Waistline came in, the tincture was a lot lighter and a little bit more airy. In the last couple of years, a lot of citrus-based drinks have hit it really hard. So we wanted to have some fun with lemongrass because we knew the average consumer really related to the citrusy notes. We muddled up our lemongrass and muddled up our lemons with the pineapple extract, added the herbal tincture, and we knew we had a winner. For My Stress, we started playing with hibiscus, lemon, and together we felt as someone needing to reach for a My Stress, this would give a beautiful feel and make you kind of want more. And every time I saw someone light up when they tried My Stress, then I knew we had it.
We're really happy with it, and we know we've got something that's good for everybody.